Dear Cheri, I recently made my first batch of cannabis butter. Yay! It came out great and I'm loving the edibles I made with it. Double yay! My only problem was, while I was making the butter, it really created a lot of odor. I live in an apartment and I'm nervous about the neighbors smelling the cannabis cooking. Do you have any suggestions for reducing the odor when making marijuana butter or oil? Well, that is an excellent question, and I do indeed have tips for that. Before I get to those, though, I just want to remind everybody, hit that YouTube subscribe button and notification bell, because I try to upload new videos every Wednesday. And be sure to hit that like button, too, if you get value out of these videos. Okay, odor when cannabis cooking. That is a big problem for a lot of people. There are several things you can do. Actually, it's several gadgets you can get that are going to help eliminate odor. And if you use one of these gadgets, and they are at all ends of the price spectrum, from very inexpensive to fairly pricey, but they all work well, and I'm going to talk about those in a minute. But if you use them, there really will be no odor at all going on, at least until you open the lid to drain and strain your cannabis oil or butter. So it really eliminates the odor problem. Some of these gadgets are made specifically for cannabis, and some are just ordinary kitchen gadgets. In fact, you might already have them. So what are these magical gadgets that you can infuse in with zero odor? Let's start off with a kitchen favorite called the Instant Pot. And an Instant Pot is great to have. And by the way, there'll be links to all of these in the comments below that I'm going to talk about today. The Instant Pot is a multi-cooker. And why is it a multi-cooker? Because it does a whole bunch of things. It's a pressure cooker that can put your dinner on the table in record time. It's a slow cooker, which is what I like to use it for when I'm infusing cannabis butter or oil. It makes yogurt. It boils eggs. It's a rice cooker. It does a whole bunch of things. So even without cannabis in the picture, an Instant Pot is a great thing to have in your kitchen, and you will use it all the time. I do like it, though, for infusing my cannabis butter or oil if I'm going to make a large batch of that. And I like to use it on slow cooker settings. Some people say you can decarb in it, and they like to use the pressure cooker settings. I think I'm going to do a separate video on that. I have found that not to be great, but the Instant Pot on the slow cooker setting is great. You will not smell the odor of the infusion at all until you open the lid to drain and strain it. So that's a great gadget to have. Another slow cooker variation that eliminates odor is made by Hamilton Beach, and again, there'll be links in the comments below. It's their Stay and Go slow cooker. And this slow cooker was designed for people like going to church socials or potlucks or things, and we go to potlucks too, but it is great for infusing cannabis butter or oil because it has a gasket around the lid and it clamps down. So while it's cooking, you're not going to smell anything coming from that slow cooker. I once had a business meeting in the next room and nobody knew that I was cooking cannabis butter right in the room next door. So it really works great. It's also a terrific slow cooker for everyday non-cannabis use. Hamilton Beach's Stay and Go slow cooker. Definitely cuts down on the odor. The other two gadgets are specifically made for cannabis, and they're my two favorite cannabis cooking gadgets. In fact, the only cannabis cooking gadgets I use, and they're the ARDENT Nova or the ARDENT FX. Now, if you've been following me a while, I've done various videos on them in the past, and I'll link to those in the comments below. But the ARDENT Nova is the smaller version. The FX is a much larger version. And not only do these gadgets perfectly decarboxylate your cannabis, so you're utilizing all of the THC or CBD and cannabinoids in your cannabis, but you can also infuse right in them and make your butter or oil in them. And there is, again, no odor at all until you open the lid. So there'll be links below to check out those, plus a coupon code for $30 off if you decide you want to go that route. So any of these gadgets, the Instant Pot, the Hamilton Beach Stay and Go slow cooker, the ARDENT Nova, or the ARDENT FX are ways that I recommend to make your infusion so there's no odor and nobody will be any the wiser. Hope this helps. Eat your weed.